Hey, what's going on? So I am here at Seaside in Oregon still. We're really close to Astoria. Astoria is the place where they filmed the Goonies and all that cool stuff. But yeah, just visiting Seaside. Very beautiful. A lot of different branches and stuff. It's one of these kind of beaches. This is in Oregon right there, and then look at all the mountain and trees and stuff. It's cool. But for the most part, it's pretty cool. I ain't complaining. But yeah, so this Labor Day weekend, and me and like 8 other people decided to go camping. So we went camping at Saddle Mountain, which was super cool. Had fun. Got really, really, really drunk, and ended up passing out, I guess, on the dinner table while everybody's at the fire, and I was right there puking. That's the first time in a while that I puked. So I woke up and puked, and everybody helped me out into the tent. We went camping that I hang out with. Scotty, Sarah, and Russell, Amy, Jordan, Casey, Amanda. What else? Oh, and forgot that guy's name. Avion or Avian. Yeah. Okay.
Stop it.
Beautiful beach weather. Super, super beautiful. Love it. Yeah, and then today we're right here at Seaside, and then we're gonna go to Astoria. Like I said, Astoria is where they filmed the Goonies, and I think they filmed what else? There's another movie I remember they filmed, but the Goonies is the main one. Everybody loves the Goonies, including myself. That's a cult classic, baby. Yeah, right here at the beach. Yeah, so we're gonna be here, Seaside, and then we're going to Astoria after. I think check in the campground over there, and then get more drunk. Hopefully this time not pass out and barf. It's no bueno. So, yeah. I'm gonna go smoke this weed pen and hit this pen real quick, and then take it from there. All right, later, y'all. Late.